Welcome back to another one of our boat tours. Today we will be going through our 1990 Cabo Rico 34 cutter, which has classic good looks, comfortable accommodations, and is designed for cruising performance. This traditional Bill Crealock design is dry and comfortable offshore and nimble in protected waters. The strikingly beautiful boat with teak accents and its cutter rig look very traditional, yet there are modern design elements such as the shape of the stern, width of the boat, the seats in the stern rail, and the cutaway full keel. Day cruising is enhanced by a secure and spacious cockpit as well as ample seating and room for about 7 to 8 people. The light golden honey teak accents throughout the cockpit catch the eye, and it is well laid out with clear access to the winches with no obstructions when you crank the handle. There is quite a bit of storage with 2 lazarettes and several bins in the coaming, and the hot and cold pressurized cockpit shower on the port side is a great feature that will be frequently used. Moving forward is safe and easy with the wide side decks, numerous teak handholds, and stainless steel stanchions and double lifelines. There is plenty of room on the large foredeck to handle a second jib or cruising spinnaker after a downwind run. The molded-in bulwark gives safe footing while adding strength and watertight integrity at the hull-to-deck joint, and a molded-in rub rail provides extra protection topside. The cream-colored Dodger and Bimini will keep you out of the elements while complementing the teak and the cream-colored hull. Going down below, you are greeted with an abundance of teak. The handcrafted and well-constructed cabinetry is beautiful and has many places to hold on to when underway. The spacious interior is designed for comfortable overnight and weekend getaways. The open salon is forward of the galley and has facing settees with a fold-down dining table that provides an area for relaxation, entertainment, and dining. The L-shaped settee to port can be pulled out and converted into an additional double berth, and there is storage underneath with solid teak louvered drawers for ventilation. The starboard settee serves as the seat for the nav station but can also be converted into a single berth by pulling an extension aft under the navigation table. The U-shaped galley is aft to port and allows the cook to safely prepare meals at sea. The teak tray over the stove and teak covers for both stainless steel sinks adds to the counter space. The galley offers cabinets with ample storage, a 2-burner gas range and oven, a full pantry, and an icebox with 6 cubic feet of storage. The forward stateroom features an offset double berth to port and a cushioned seat to starboard. It has underberth storage, bulkhead shelves, and a hanging locker. The forward head compartment is to port and features a teak vanity and cabinets as well as a shower. This boat does have air conditioning and features a Dometic reverse heat AC unit with 15,000 BTUs. The aft cabin is to starboard and features a double berth as well as a vented hanging locker and many other smaller lockers. Although the cockpit well comes down, the berth is over 7 feet long on one side and has plenty of space to be used as a guest berth or storage. She is powered by a 30 horsepower universal diesel. Cabo Rico yachts are fast and comfortable underway as well as safe and easy to sail. This quality-built boat can handle it all from a weekend getaway to an island cruise. Find the full specs and asking price at the link in the description below, and as always, to see our other listings, visit our website.